Hi and welcome. Today let us learn about identifying the associative and commutative properties for addition and multiplication. To start with, let us look what commutative means. The word commutative comes from commute or move around. So from there we have the commutative property of addition, which states that a plus b equals b plus a. The addends are the same, they have just been swapped. That is, only the order in which they are written have been changed, but still we'll get the same sum. The value of the sum will not change. Similarly, we have the commutative property of multiplication, which states a times b equals b times a. Again, the factors, they have been swapped, their order has been changed, but the product will still remain the same. Let's look at associative. The word associative comes from associate or group. The associative property of addition states that open bracket a plus b close bracket plus c equals a plus open bracket b plus c close bracket. That means if the addends are the same and they are also written in the same order, they can be grouped differently. Here a plus b are grouped together and then b and c are grouped together, but the sum still does not change. Similarly, we have the associative property of multiplication, where a and b are grouped together to get a product which is finally multiplied by c. And on the right hand side we have b and c which are multiplied and their product is multiplied by a. The final product is the same, it does not change. Keeping these concepts in mind, let us try to recognize the properties. The first one, name the property. Negative 2 plus 5 equals 5 plus negative 2. Here the sign is addition, that is, there is a plus sign, so it is a property of addition. Also, that the addends are the same, but they have just been swapped, their order has just been changed, so the property here used is the commutative property, that is option C. And it is important for us to remember, in addition, the order in which numbers are added does not change the sum. Let's go on to the next example. 3 plus 2 plus negative 4, that is 3 plus 2 are in brackets. This equals 3 plus 2 plus negative 4. Here also again we see that 3 plus 2 are grouped together on the left hand side of equal to sign, and 2 plus negative 4, they are put on the brackets on the right hand side. So one, we see there's an addition sign, so it's a property of addition, and secondly, they have been grouped differently, so it is the associative property of addition. And here it is important for us to understand, it does not matter if we change which of the numbers are added in parentheses, because the sum will be the same. Next example, we've written it more clearly out there. 3 times negative 4 times 2 equals 3 times negative 4 times 2. Here we have the multiplication sign, so this is a property for multiplication. Also, on both sides of equal to sign, the factors have been grouped differently. On the left hand side 3 and negative 4, on the right hand side negative 4 and 2. That is why it is the associative property of multiplication. That's all for now. Thank you for watching us. You can practice and master this topic on math. Thank you. Bye. Have a great time.